Okay, this is the Vox & Go Corr-o-lo-meter. Corr-o-lo-meter. This is to judge whether your audio is still in phase. You'll probably get this at a free download at voxandgo.com. So let's have a preview. So little fluctuations like that is probably in phase. So let's just adjust it a little bit. So big fluctuations like that, it's out of phase. So just adjust again. The little small fluctuations, I don't think you have to worry about that. Let's preview it again. So it has little tiny fluctuations, but it's most likely in phase. So just as another, if you're looking for a phase meter that's free, this is one you can grab and it will do a great job, and you can use it to put your audio in phase so it's not out of phase. Thanks for listening. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel to get more audio engineering tips. Thanks for watching. Bye now.